Yo, welcome back to Midwest Moto Parts. This is part 2 of our 2008 Kawasaki ZX-6R engine teardown. Filmed hands-free with the Metal Smart glasses right here in Chicago Heights, Illinois. Last episode, we stripped the outer covers, but today, we're diving into the brains and the muscle of the 599cc Ninja power plant. If you're new here, every part we remove gets cleaned, inspected, photographed, and listed on MidwestMotoparts.com, and we ship worldwide. Let's wrench. First, we're pulling the cam chain tensioner. Kawasaki part 12048 1181. This little guy keeps your timing chain tight and your valves happy at 15,000 plus RPM. It fits nearly 20 years of ZX-6R models. Hit the link in the description to check your bike. Next up are the camshafts. Exhaust cam is 49118-0104. Intake is 49118-0114. These lobes control how your Ninja breathes, open, close, and go. Sport bike magic. Now we unbolted the cylinder head. Kawasaki part number 11008-0095, where combustion meets horsepower. Sprint racing DNA right here. And there we have it. There's the head. Looks really clean. See the Kawasaki embossed logo on the head. Alright guys, it is time to split the case. The Crankcase part number is 14001-0130. It's an aluminum case. It's built to take miles and miles of abuse, even the occasional wheelie landing. I'm just using a light tap with the hammer, guys. I'm not pounding on the case. We know aluminum is sensitive to pounding, so just light taps. I use the dead blow typically to crack cases, you know, things that are sensitive, if you will. But there's the dead blow. The edge of the outer edge of the dead blow is gone. We have to get a new one. Does more damage than not. So we just use a regular hammer for the time being. Case is almost open. Voila! There we go, guys. You ever wonder what it looks like on the inside? Take a look at that right there. Did you guys see that? That's a connecting rod that's mangled. So this engine did have some problems. One of the connecting rods is missing. The journal was fine too. We inspected it. Looked really good. Not sure how the catastrophe happened, but at some point, somebody was found on the side of the road. All right, we're pulling the crankshaft. Kawasaki 13031-0075. Hard forged, high revving, and balanced for smooth racing power delivery. This engine was rated at 122 horsepower in stock tune. Not bad for a 600. And there we have it. There's the crankshaft. Like I mentioned earlier, we did take a look at the journal of where the connecting rod failed, and it appeared to be okay. No issues that we can see right now. Time to remove the rest of the pistons and connecting rods. Connecting rods are Kawasaki 13251-0018-JJ. Then, of course, the pistons are attached to the connecting rods. There you have it. Piston part number is 13001-0096. If you guys are ever in need of information on if this item fits your bike, leave it in the comments or send us a message, and we have the tools to look it up for you. And there's the mangled connecting rod, as you guys can see. It's in many pieces. Piston is intact. Cylinder is intact. The rod failed. There's a bit of scarring inside there on the wall, not in the sleeve. All right, there's the gearbox, the most underrated hero in every bike build. 13127-0044 is the transmission assembly. Close ratio gearing packs that punchy run through the RPM range, especially on track days.